Hey, what's good, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Sizzle or Fizzle. I'm Rick.
And I am your boy, Kiss.
And in case you didn't know, this is the show for people that love music. We listen to anything and everything, and we determine whether we like it or whether we don't, i.e., does the track sizzle or does it fizzle? Yes,
Yo.
going to be listening to Paul Hardcastle today. And
Yeah.
for those of you who are not familiar with Paul Hardcastle, uh, he has kind of a jazz and fusion background. So, um,
Yeah, what do they
something we've
call
heard
him?
before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. When I listened to this reminded me of KPRS.
Yes. Yes. So I'm letting everybody in Sizzle Gang out there know if this is something that you haven't heard before, this is a style that you're not accustomed to, jump in those comments and let us know what you think. Even if it's not something that you normally can get a chance to listen to, tell us how you feel about this track. We're going to tell you in just a few minutes how we feel. In the
hmm
meantime, here we go.
Here we go. down right there. Not the
While we're talking
string.
about young people and our appreciation, I really believe that young people don't appreciate music until later on. I mean, that's all of us because when it's there, when it's fresh
Unless
and
it's
it's
in your
new,
soul. Unless it's in your soul.
well, yeah, you appreciate the things that you like, but even the things that you don't normally listen to, you do learn to appreciate later because there's a lot of things that we listen to on this channel that may have heard in passing, but when we sit down and really listen to the instrumentation and what it took to put it together, we appreciate that more. The artistry. And this is one of those tracks.
The
Whether he
composition.
did all the instruments himself or whether there were session musicians, whatever, uh, uh, it first of all, it sounded good, damn good. By the way, I'm gonna sizzle it. I like the whole composition of this song. And I know his biggest hit was 19. Sizzle Gang, if you're not familiar with that, look it up. 19 is another good track by Paul Hardcastle. Um, Listening to this kind of makes me want to, go down that rabbit hole and see what else he had. Because if you're putting out 3 albums in 1 year, let alone the rest of his body of work, and he does have a tremendous body of work, there's some gems hidden in there. I know.
Ding,
Whoa.
ding, 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 ding,
I
ding, 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 ding.
just want to give the traffic report right now.
Wow, I know. I think you
Who
should.
was it? Dale Rice or see now I got
Was it Dale
DJ
Rice and
names.
Chris King?
Chris
Dale
King,
Rice?
yeah. Shout out to the KPRS DJs, man.
Oh my God. Yes, indeed. So yeah, I sizzled the sumbitch. That's for sure. That's for sure. It's funny because when you named it on the list to be done,
Hmm.
I had no idea who he was or anything. And so through all my stresses and strains this week, I didn't get a chance to prepare for this. And so I played it actually today. And as soon as it started, I'm like, yeah. Oh, I can't wait for this one. Yeah. I can't wait for this one. Yeah. Old time. God, 85. I was 18.
I was damn, that means I was 15. What the hell, man? I feel so old. That was 40 years ago. Damn.
Matter of fact, Kansas City was playing this for so long because I didn't come back to Kansas City until 87.
Mm,
So I was still here in Jersey when that song came out.
wow.
Funny how time
Hey,
flies when you're having fun.
real
Hmm?
talk, Sizzle Gang. I know I mentioned it at the top of the show, but I want to mention it again. Make sure that you jump in the comments on this one because I'm curious to see how you guys like this. And
Oh,
if you are a fusion jazz, electro jazz fan, throw us some more bones out there. It doesn't have to be Paul Hardcastle, it could be anybody. I want to check some more out. Make sure that you get in those comments, leave us a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And
hey, let's hit the ding, 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 ding,
that's
ding.
right.
Guys and girls, you have to hit the ding, ding.
And we appreciate each and every one of you. We will be back real soon. In the meantime, please stay positive, stay blessed.
And no matter what's going on in your life, please, people keep it moving.
Later.
Bye bye.